Good morning. Let us start our first chapter, linear equation in two variables. दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणे. Firstly, we see the definition of linear equation in two variables. Don't write anything in your notebook until I say. Just focus on board. So here, definition. An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. Is called as linear equation in two variables. Here the degree means in Marathi koti. So firstly write down the definition. An equation which contains, the definition is also in front of you on board. Can I clean? Okay. Then we see the general form of linear equation in two variables. Here, the general form of linear equation in two variables. And that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here in linear equation in two variables, the two conditions are must be important. These are condition first. Here A, B, C are real numbers. Here A, B, C are real numbers. And the second one is A and B are not equal to 0 at same time. Please write down this. Can I clean? Okay, thank you. Now we see the simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. Firstly, we see the definition of simultaneous linear equation. Here, the definition. When we think about two linear equations, in two variables, at the same time. They are called simultaneous equations. They are called simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Do you understand? See here, when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equation. Two linear equations in two variables at the same time. Let me see this in example. Firstly, we recall. Last year we learned to solve simultaneous equations by eliminating one variable. In the ninth class, we solve the examples of simultaneous equations by eliminating one variable. So let us revise it. Can I click? Example first. Five x minus 3y is equal to 8. And the second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. 3x plus y is equal to 2. So let us start. Here the solution. Firstly, we give the numbering. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Equation number first. And 3x plus y is equal to 2. Equation number 2. Firstly, we know that which operation is done on equation 1 or 2. So here is a minus 3y, and we want here the 3y. Because of the 3y, this minus 3y and this 3y will get cancelled. So firstly, multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3. Here 3 into 3x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 into 2, and that is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. We give the number 3. Here we get the equation number 3. Now don't write anything in your notebook until I say. Now adding equation 1 and 3. Five x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is equation first, and our third equation is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Equation number 3. Nine plus 5, 14 x plus this minus 3y and this plus 3y get cancelled is equal to 0, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Here the 14x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 14 divided by 14, x is equal to 1. Here we find the value of x. Now we find the value of y. Firstly, write down in your notebook. Here we find the value of y. Can I clean this side? Okay. Here our equation first and second is on board. So substitute x is equal to 1 in any equation. So we substitute or put x is equal to 1 in equation first. So here 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, equation number 1, and 5 into x is equal to 1 minus 3y is equal to 8. Here 5 minus 3y is equal to 8, minus 3y, this 5 becomes negative, 8 minus 5, and this minus 3y is equal to 3. And y is equal to 3 divided by minus 3, y is equal to minus 1. And here this we find the value of x and y, and the solution is written as x comma y is equal to value of x. Firstly we write the value of x 1 and the value of y is minus 1. Do you understand? If you have any query, so please ask me in comment box. This is our first lecture of theoretical part. Then today in next lecture or second lecture we have to study this type of examples. So we will meet early. Can you write this? Okay. Thank you.